Welcome to Ashburn, Virginia, and my newest listing, a top-to-bottom renovation of a 2-bedroom, 1-bath balcony condominium located in South Glen at University Center. As a buyer, are you disappointed in the lack of inventory in our local market? Let's take a tour of this renovated home, which provides the amenities and luxuries buyers are looking for in today's market. This home is convenient to the Silver Line Metro, One Loudoun, Dulles Airport, the Greenway, and more. This home's desirable location and full-scale renovation make it the perfect home for you.